How to fix Valorant not opening, starting, or even launching. Now, in this quick video, if your Valorant is not running or not opening or not even launching or you won't be able to play with it, here's simple steps for you to bypass or fix this kind of issue. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is to repair the game directly from Riot Client. All I have to do at the top right, once you log in into your Riot Client account, simply tap in your account and then choose on Valorant and then choose on Repair. Now it may take a minute, around 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your internet speed, but this works all the time. So next is just go into your desktop, right click, and then choose on Task Manager. Now before you execute this troubleshooting, make sure that there is no Valorant client, Vanguard, or any related into your Riot game client. Just simply end task in all of them and then execute this second troubleshooting steps. Go to the search box, type in services, choose this gear icon, and you will have this small window pop out on your end. Now click anywhere inside the box and then hit on the V keys on your keyboard and then look for VGC. So say for example this one, right click on VGC, go to properties, and from here under startup type, change it into automatic and then hit on apply and then hit on OK. Try to relaunch the game. So those are the very basic troubleshooting steps for you to fix Valorant not opening, starting, or launching.